This is our last crossing, our very last crossing. Check out the river flow, swelling. Check it out, swell. So what do you think, Andy? Can we go through this one? A bit dirty. All right, Andy, it's a bit dirty. This is like a teh tarik. Checking out the water depth right now. This is it's very fast. You know, Bing showing up. Richard Benson Pat. Fast. Very fast flowing. I'll be spotting from here. From here. Just ask him to follow my map. Check out that river, guys. This is super fast, I think, right now. Moving up slowly. Spotting Monsoon. It's coming right up here. This is a tough crossing. It's headlight Monsoon. Very tough. Just gonna let him come here. It's Monsoon coming in and yeah, it's here now. This is why I'm standing. So we're gonna use one car, I think, to test it. It's like this now. That means inside there, and it's like this. Because when we come out here, there's no water. So now it's here. Yeah, it's too deep. I was just saying, it's just too deep, the water. Just too deep, so we're gonna plan another one. Too deep. It's just too deep. Look at me. There wasn't any water just now here. I'm here now. So you guys want to know the part 2? Wait for it, wait for it. We're gonna video the part 2, yeah?